qui s'appelle l'adjectif démonstratif. Everyone, today we're going to start the new topic by the name adjective demonstrative, which is basically demonstrative adjectives. Now, demonstrative adjectives of English are this, that, these, those, right? So that's what we're going to learn in French. So let's begin. These are demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those, right? When you want to specifically point out the things, right, in real world, this book, that car, these shoes, those flowers. Now let's learn a little in detail. Now, again, every noun will have a gender, yeah, as we all know. So if the noun is masculine, we use ce or CET. If the noun is feminine, we use CET, whether it starts with a vowel, whether it starts with a consonant. If the object is plural, we always use se. I repeat. If the object is masculine, we use se or set. And the difference is se is used with nouns which are masculine and they start with a consonant, right? Set is used with nouns which are masculine, and they start with a vowel, right? But the feminine set, CETTE, is specifically for all the nouns which are feminine, whether they start with a vowel or they start with a consonant. So remember, the point of confusion will always be in this part, set, CET. CET is only used for nouns which are masculine and they start with a vowel. It will not be used with nouns which are feminine and start with a vowel. No, for that we use CETTE. And the pronunciation of this and this is the same, set. This is sir and this is say. Let's see more examples. So if I want to say this book, I'll say ce livre. This book or that book. Yeah, because ce translates as this or that. Ce chien is this dog or that dog, whatever you want to say, right? Ce t-shirt is this t-shirt or that t-shirt, right? Ce garçon is this boy or that boy. Yeah. Now, set is used for nouns which are feminine and singular, right? For example, cette robe, this dress or that dress. Cette maison, this house or that house. Cette voiture, this car or that car. Cette fille, this girl or that girl, right? Now, when a word starts with a vowel and it's masculine, yeah, we add a T. So, for example, cet arbre, cet hôtel, cet homme, cet ordinateur. This computer, this man, that man. Of course, it's both this and that. So remember, the noun needs to be masculine and it needs to start with a vowel for us to use CET. If it is feminine, we only use CETTE, whether it starts with a consonant or vowel, right? Now, for plural, plural is irrespective of the gender, irrespective of what it starts with. For plural, we use ses livres, ses chaussures, ses enfants, ses fleurs, ses amis. Yeah. So this translates as these and those. These books, those books. These shoes, those shoes. These children, those children. These flowers, those flowers. These friends, those friends. Is this clear, everyone? Is the concept clear? Do you guys have any more questions?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So let's see a few more examples. Okay, so everyone repeat with me. Ce pull bleu,
Ce pull bleu,
cette jupe est jolie,
cette jupe est jolie,
ses chaussettes sont blanches,
ses chaussettes sont blanches,
son pantalon est noir,
Ce pantalon est noir.
Cette écharpe est rouge.
Cette écharpe est rouge.
Cette robe verte.
Cette robe verte.
Now see, écharpe is, a scarf, and see, it's feminine. Yeah, and we are using CETTE, not CET, even though it starts with a vowel. So please remember that point is super duper important. Yeah. All right. Few more examples. You can continue repeating with me. Ce garçon est grand.
Ce garçon est grand.
Cette fille est intelligente.
Cette fille est intelligente.
Cet ordinateur est nouveau.
Cet ordinateur est nouveau.
Ses amis sont gentils.
Ses amis sont gentils.
Ses livres sont intéressants.
Ses livres sont intéressants.
Ses amis sont gentils.
Ses amis sont gentils.
Yeah. So, few examples for you. Now, let's do this exercise. What will be the answer of the first one? Anyone? Dash livre est intéressant.
Ce livre.
Ce livre. Dash robe est rouge.
Cette robe.
Correct. Dash homme est grand.
Cet homme.
Very good. Dash chaussures sont noires.
Ses chaussures.
Ses chaussures. Dash pantalon est bleu.
Ce pantalon.
Ce pantalon. Correct. Next one. Dash voiture est nouvelle.
Cette voiture.
Cette voiture. Correct. And this one, the last, arbre est grand.
Cet arbre.
CET. Very good. Excellent. Yeah. Anybody, any confusion? All right. Okay, let's complete the sentence. So this dog is, what is it going to be in French?
Ce chien.
Ce chien. This house would be?
Cette maison.
Cette maison. This pullover is?
Ce pull.
Ce pull. These children?
Ses enfants.
Ses enfants. This scarf?
Cette écharpe.
Écharpe. And this tree would be?
Cet arbre.
Cet arbre. Excellent. I hope it's clear, everyone. Yeah. Basis this, you can create more sentences. Right? Okay. So again, just very quickly, the answers. Dash livre would be?
Ce livre.
Ce livre. Dash robe will be?
Cette robe.
Cette robe. Dash chien will be?
Ce chien.
Ce chien. Dash maison would be?
Cette maison.
Cette maison. Dash chaussure will be?
Ses chaussures.
Ses chaussures. Dash ami would be?
Cet ami.
Cet ami. If we put an extra E, then?
Then cet ami with the
Correct. With
feminine
the
one.
feminine one. Correct. Cet ami. Very good. Dash voiture is?
Cette voiture.
Cette voiture. Dash pull is?
Ce pull.
Excellent. Super. So a real life dialogue would look somewhat like, regarde. Dash robe est belle, non? Fill in the blanks.
Cette robe.
Yeah. Oui, j'aime beaucoup
Cette robe.
cette robe. Et dash chaussures.
Ses chaussures.
Ses chaussures. And again, ces chaussures sont parfaites. These shoes are perfect. Hey, look, this dress is beautiful, no? Yes, I really like this dress. And these shoes are perfect. right? This is how this is used in real life. Yeah. So again, a quick recap. Sir is used for nouns which are masculine singular. Set is used with nouns which are masculine singular, which start with a vowel or h. Set is used with nouns which are feminine and singular. And say is used with nouns which are plural, whether they're masculine or they're feminine. So please remember this and revise. Yeah, that's it from my end for the day. And that's it then. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Merci alors. À demain.